and write Pepsi logo in Google, you will find this kind of logos. So you can see we'll create this logo, and this is very easy to create in Corel. Just go to this ellipse tool, take it and press enter from your keyboard and just draw a simple circle. After that, just go to this tool, freehand tool, and you will need to draw a straight line. So I will just draw a straight line, very straight, exactly. So just press shift, so it will be straight. You press from your keyboard, the shift key. So this is the line we have created, but this is not a little bit, what I wanted. This is not straight. I will try again. So this is okay. Now just click this shape tool and convert this line to curve. Right click it and to curve. After that, just hold this point and make it like this to up side. That's it. It will be like this. Now just select this pick tool and take a copy of this by using Ctrl C and then Ctrl V. That copy will be placed on the same place. Now just drag it by using the arrow key, down arrow key, bring it here, something like this. Now it's okay. So this is the simplest shape. Now if you want to put the color, then select the smart fill tool, go there, first check what color is above. Here will be red color and here will be blue color. So first select blue. Blue color is selected already, put it here. Now select red color, put it here, and now remove the borders from every corner, from here as well as from here. So that's it. Very simple logo you have, and you can add a border to this main shape. So this is the logo basically we have created right now using very simple technique. Something like we just draw a line, and using that we have created this shape and just put a color using this smart fill tool. We put a color here and put a color here, and this is the simple Pepsi logo. If you want to write a text over it, you can write, but I wanted to actually tell you how you can easily create the simple logos like Pepsi and like LG and like BBC. So in next tutorial we will come here and we'll create the logo of WordPress is CMS, very popular CMS. So we'll create this logo, a kind of like this one or this one.